Stoelting Companion Cart Portable Cleaning System is the easiest way to clean your equipment. Today, we will show you how it works and how it will save you time, money, and labor. The first thing you will notice is that the mobile design of the companion cart gives you the capabilities of a 3-sink system anywhere you might not have power or water readily available, along with all the accessories you will need for getting the job done. The companion carts come in 3 different configurations, which allows you to determine which cart setup will work best for your business. Here are the options for how the carts are configured. There are many features that make the companion cart perfect to easily clean your equipment. To begin the setup, unbox both sections and remove all packaging material. The hose holder bracket and step stool bracket are installed inward for compact shipping. Once you receive your companion cart, the brackets need to be repositioned to face outward. Next, place the upper section onto the lower section, making sure the sink drain pipe aligns with the gray water tank opening. Then, attach the brackets for the paper towel and sanitizing wipes. This completes the setup of Companion Cart 1. Moving on to Companion Cart 2. This cart comes with a battery-operated pump and sanitizing wand. To complete the setup of the Companion Cart 2, connect the freshwater hose to the faucet and connect the sanitizing solution to the mixing valve and place in the bracket. Then, connect the battery inside the cart and charge it for use. This completes the setup of Companion Cart 2. Companion Cart 3 comes with the additional clean-in-place automated cleaning head. This is a self-cleaning system that allows you to clean and sanitize without disassembling the equipment. Setup of the automated cleaning head is simple. Install the pistons, the retainer plate, and the manifold to the head. When the automated cleaning head isn't in use, store it in the bracket on the back of the cart. This completes the setup of Companion Cart 3. To learn more about this or any other Stoelting product, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.